Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another customer service job. This one is for the huge online retailer Wayfair. Now, if you don't mind customer service, Wayfair provides great work from home remote jobs. They pay decent. They provide the computer equipment for you. They don't really require any experience. They are going to train you and give you everything you need to get the job done. Plus, they give you a great discount if you want to buy products from their store. They are hiring virtually within the United States, but they are just looking for someone who can be empathetic and help the customers navigate all of the issues they have, from post-order issues such as shipping questions, damages, returns, replacements, assembly services, or order notifications. You will have no scripts and no canned responses. They are expecting you to be able to give a human-to-human interaction that is meaningful and impactful and just help the customer. You will handle a high volume of calls. They expect each rep to take 50 to 60 calls per shift, so it is a fast-paced environment. They do need someone who can be a multitasker and a problem solver. Now, if that sounds like you, their benefits are where it is at. They are paying $15 an hour, and then you get pay increases as early as 6 months. On top of that $15 an hour, quarterly, they give performance bonuses up to $2,000 per quarter. And if you refer other people as well, you can get $500 if they get a job. Now, on top of that, they do benefits including health, vision, dental, 401k, paid time off. They also offer a Wayfair employee discount. I've heard it is 40%. All they are requiring is that you be 18 years or older and have a high school diploma or GED. Now, you will have to have internet that you can hardwire into your computer, but of course, they're going to provide the computer equipment and the accessories for you. So, literally, you need to be able to pass a background check, be at least 18, and have a high school diploma. That is it. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for, as I'm always reading that and keeping an eye out when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.